BB, why you get lost again?
Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. So today is it's just going to be a bit of a short one really. I'm just bimbling about through the town of Ipswich and I'm just testing another microphone and a Insta360 X5 which I've managed to get hold of off eBay. Again, this one was broken and I think I might have fixed it. It looked like it had fallen off the back of a lorry or probably off a motorbike, and the lens, or both lenses, had smashed and the casing had split open. Now very similar to the X4 I had. Now on the X4 you can't change the you can't replace the lenses, but on the X5 you can actually replace the lenses. So that's what I've done. I've replaced the lenses and I've got a bit of glue and glued up the case. The case isn't going to be waterproof anymore, I don't think, but I've glued up the case and I'm just hoping that that is enough to get it working. And I got it very I got it really cheap. I said it was advertised as spares or repairs, so if it is working I'll be, yeah. So I'm just trying this at the moment, and what I've managed to do is I've linked the X5 via Bluetooth to my Cardo Spirit headset comms unit thing, and it seems like it might have worked. I've had to change a setting in there to stop it from auto cleaning up the ambient noise and all that sort of thing. So I'm hoping it's just literally raw audio coming from this microphone from the Cardo unit straight into the X5, and then hopefully the X5 will then do its processing in there, but I don't know. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing today, riding through the town of Ipswich on a Sunday afternoon, just bimbling about really, just trying this out. So whether this will make YouTube or not, I don't know, but if it does, it'll be a very short one. And I want to just see how this X5 performs against the DJI Action 5 one, which I tend to use most of the time. The only thing I noticed with the Insta X5 is you have to edit it twice. You have to, in most cases, once you finish filming, you then have to go into the app, or the desktop app or the mobile app. I have to use the desktop app. I can't really get on with the mobile app because my mobile is quite small. And anyway, you have to reframe it in this app to get all the different angles right, edit it, and then once you've edited it, you then need to possibly edit it again in your normal PC app, the one I use is DaVinci Resolve. So you edit it in there to produce the final video. So it's a lot more work, but I do like using my DJI camera action thing. It's just so easy, it just works, it links up to the microphone and it just works. Ooh, back wheel felt a bit slippery then. But yeah, other than that, I'm not really doing much else. I'm just sort of wombling about. Yes. So yeah, so I haven't really got much to say really, apart from if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of this sort of thing. Yeah, please subscribe. It's all free. And on that note, from a Sunday afternoon in Ipswich, thanks for watching.